Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style. Today we are going to do daily stock market review and we will figure out. Let's do a review and we'll see. Is it bull trap or bull trend? We need to have clear confirmation, right? Okay, let's move it. Let's move to trading view. We are going to use trading view for our review. If you want to learn more about trading view setup, just go to the description and there is the link about trading view setup and also other links about all my trainings. Okay, let me briefly mention about my setup quickly. Just I'm using moving averages. White line it's MA 200, yellow line it's MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5, and MACD indicator on the bottom. Green line it's a bullish, red line it's a bearish, white line it's a signal line, and yellow line it's a zero line between bullish territory and bearish territory. Okay, that's so simple. Simple, but it's not that easy because of the emotions involved, right? We know about it. It's not easy. Everyone should work on the emotions and and discipline. Okay, look at it. Yeah, daily SPY. Let's start from SPY. Still bearish trend, right? Nothing changed for last 12 months. It's a bearish trend on daily time frame. Daily, weekly, monthly, still bearish trend. Yeah, even it's a bullish, right? But it didn't. It touched the MA 200. MA 200 can be strong resistant, even like it did. And it touched this trend for like 5-6 times, right? Already. This one it didn't touch, but it did move down. It almost touched here. Yeah, it's definitely bearish trend. We need to close above this bearish trend to confirm the bullish direction. So far, we didn't close yet. It's still on the MA 200. Okay, let's make it closer. Yeah, this last bar stopped at MA 200. MA 200 can be resistant and can be rejected from MA 200. So far on the script I'm using also buy and sell script, right? Still buy mode on the script. On the MACD it's still red color. It's a bullish trend. On the bar, it's on the histogram, it's already changed to pink color. It's kind of ready for correction, but it's just one bar. It doesn't change direction, right? It doesn't change direction. The one negative point that this bar is very far from 820, and we know all from our experience when bar far from 820, it always wants to connect back to 820. That's what can happen. It can connect to Mate 20. But still bullish trend. Still bullish trend. MACD in the green color. No changes on daily time frame, right? Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours. It's the same buy mode on the script. Last bar far from 820, but a 820 ready for bullish crossover. And it's when we have bullish crossover, it's a bullish trend. Look at it here. M820 did bullish crossover, and it did stay in the bullish trend for long time, for several days, right? And it was uptrend for several days because of the M820 bullish crossover. We'll see this time. Will it happen exactly the same, or it will be different? And MACD kind of changed in direction. Histogram already red. It changed in direction. It changed to pink. Not red yet, but it's already pink. Changing direction on 4 hours for SPY. But still bullish. Still bullish. No crossover, no confirmation, right? Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour for SPY. It's a different story. MA5 already did bearish crossover. Did already bearish crossover, and MACD changed direction to bearish, and it also has bearish divergence. Look at it, MACD price action is uptrend, right? On the MACD, it has bearish divergence. It means on 1 hour, SPY wants to have correction. It's a bearish signal on 1 hour, and at the same time it has bearish divergence. It wants to have correction on SPY on 1 hour. If you are long, yeah, be careful. Keep your stop tight, just to make sure you will save your profit, or take a profit and just get in the cash position just to monitor direction of the market. Okay, let's move to Qs. Let's move to Qs on daily time frame. Daily time frame, it's a similar story, right? Similar story on daily. It's a bearish trend, bearish direction. Yeah, the bearish direction on the bearish trend, right? No changes for similar like SPY. Similar like SPY. Let's move it closer. Okay. Bullish trend on daily time frame for Qs. MACD green. Let me move this circle. MACD green. Bullish crossover on moving averages. The last bar is still far from MA20. It definitely wants to have correction and connect to MA20, but still bullish trend, no changes. Bullish trend on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours similar. Bullish trend on 4 hours on all moving averages. It touched the last bar, touched the last two bars, they touched the MA200, and the MA200 can be strong resistant for this trend. Last bar far from MA20, and remember it always wants to connect to MA20. Remember that pattern. On the moving average, on the MACD, it's still green, it's still bullish, it's above yellow line, it's in the bullish territory. Bullish trend on 4 hours for Qs. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it has bearish divergences, right? The price action is uptrend, and it has bearish divergences on MACD, bearish divergences on histogram also. On MACD line, it has multiple bearish divergences. It wants to have correction. It wants to go bearish. MA5 so far didn't confirm bearish crossover over MA10. Still kind of forming, yeah, bearish direction. Yeah, keep stop tight, because Qs wants to have correction and wants to go bearish on 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's move to Dow Jones. I'm sorry, daily. Dow Jones daily. Yeah, it's a different trend. Yeah, it's still kind of still bearish from top. But it's completely different than SPY or Qs. It is, yeah, it had red day today, red bar, last bar it's red bar, but remember it was far from 820 and it's still far from 820, and we know the rule, it always wants to connect to 820 bar, last bar always wants to connect to 820. MACD still green, still bullish trend. it has already a pink histogram, first bar. It's still bullish trend on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, last bar closed below my 5 and 10, no bearish crossover yet. MACD, it's already preparing for bearish crossover. No confirmation yet. Histogram already pink, ready for bearish crossover on 4 hours. On 1 hour, it's a different story. It's already a sell signal on the script, and MACD already changed direction to bearish, and it has bearish divergences, right? Let me remove this line and make it this line uptrend. It's uptrend direction. On the MACD, it's a downtrend bearish divergence. Bearish divergence on the MACD line and bearish divergence on MACD histogram. Bearish trend. Bearish trend on 1 hour, and it's trying to change direction bearish on 4 hours. Be careful with the Dow Jones. Keep tight stops, or get to the cash position, or change to bearish direction. It's up to you. It's already bearish change, bearish signal on 1 hour time frame. We don't know yet it's going to be short-term correction or it will be large correction on the 4 hours and daily time frame. So far it's only on 1 hour bearish direction and 4 hours ready for bearish crossover also. Daily still bullish. Let's move to IWM. IWM on daily time frame. Still bullish trend. The last bar closed above all moving averages. Bullish signal, bullish trend. MACD, green, bullish trend. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, still bullish trend also on all indicators. Bullish trend. MA20 just did bullish crossover. MA5, 10 and 20 did bullish crossover. It is bullish trend. Bullish trend. MACD histogram already switched from green to pink, but still bullish trend. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it's already changed direction to bearish. On MA5 did bearish crossover. It changed direction to bearish. We don't have its uptrend direction. We have on histogram, but not on MACD lines. On histogram, we have bearish divergences. On histogram, on the MACD lines, it's no divergences yet, but it has bearish signal already on MACD. On MACD, it has already bearish signal on 1 hour. IWM wants to go bearish on 1 hour. Let's move to Apple. Apple on daily time frame. Bullish signal, bullish crossover on the MA5 and MA10. MACD green, it's a bullish trend on daily time frame for Apple. 4 hours, similar story, bullish crossover on the moving averages, and MACD bullish green color. Bullish trend. Let's check on 1 hour for Apple. 1 hour for Apple, bullish trend. MA20 did bullish crossover. It is bullish trend for Apple on 1 hour also. It has some bearish divergences on Apple. Price action bullish. On the MACD, it has bearish. It has bearish divergence. On MACD, it has bearish divergence on 1 hour time frame. Looks like Apple can change direction to bearish on 1 hour time frame. Still bullish on all time frames. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla daily. Tesla daily bullish crossover. MA5 did bullish crossover. Last bar close above MA20. Bullish trend on MACD. Bullish signal green line. Daily bullish signal for Tesla. 4 hours similar. MACD green line bullish trend. Last bar close above all moving averages except 200. Bullish trend on 4 hours also. Let's check on 1 hour. 1 hour bullish trend. Last bar close above all moving averages, far from MA20, but bullish trend. MACD green bullish. Yeah, divergences only on histogram. Only on histogram. If you check, yeah, from here it's the uptrend direction on 1 hour. On the histogram, it's a downtrend, right? It's a downtrend on histogram, but on MACD lines, no divergence. MACD line still green, still bullish. Okay, let's do summary. All indexes on daily time frame bullish trend. Only one negative, it's the last bar far from 820. Bullish trend on daily. On 4 hours, similar. Bullish trend on all indicators for all indexes. And on 1 hour, they change already direction from bullish to bearish. And they have also bearish divergences on all indicators for all indexes on 1 hour time frame. And we'll see. Is it bull trap or it's a bull trend? We don't know yet. We need to see confirmation. So far it's a bull trend, but on 1 hour it can quickly, and remember the market, it moves up step by step. It makes step by step to move up, but when it goes down, it uses elevator, right? It used stairs to go up, but to go down it uses elevator, and it can quickly switch direction to bearish, because you saw it on the daily time frame. It's still in the large bearish trend. In the general market direction, it's a bearish. Even on daily and 4 hours, it's a bullish, but on 1 hour it change direction to bearish and can quickly change direction of the market back to bearish on daily time frame. Be ready for it. Keep stop tight, or take your profit, close your position and get in cash, just and wait for the confirmation. Is it bull trap or we are still in the bull direction, in the bull trend? That's what we have today. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. Please read it. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly and monthly updates for stocks, indexes, ETFs, cryptos. Please subscribe for all my channels and click like button to support the YouTube channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.